Well, bam! What's up, everybody? It's Citrox Gaming. Now, you guys are asking yourselves, why am I wet? Well, basically, it never ever rains in Los Angeles. East Los Angeles, that is. I'm holding my phone the other way, as you can see, because the mag mirror or whatever. Hey, how's it going? I'm gonna have to walk home. It's a half-hour walk. It really sucks, honestly. But at least my hair gets done. So yeah. The last time I made a video was... My phone's all wet, Jesus. The last time I made a video was a long time ago. I'll probably make a quick cut and cut to the chase when I'm home and dry. But just like that, yeah. I'm out. Hold up. I didn't even explain why I'm in the rain. So obviously I just got out of school. You can see I'm squinting a lot because the eyes are in my face. The rain's in my face, basically. See? Super rainy and stuff. I didn't expect today to be a rainy day. School and it was like sprinkling, but now it's like super freaking rainy. Honestly, it sucks, but whatever. We're about to cross the bridge, or at least I am. I'm about to cross the bridge to get to where I live, right? Like the freeway bridge or whatever. It's really nice. A lot of cars. I wonder how they're doing, you know, traffic. Mostly traffic, yeah. I don't know what else to do when you're in traffic. I don't drive legally yet, you know? Is the lighting good? Hopefully, if you guys know, it's not my fault. Basically, that's what happened. So, it rained in LA. That's the first. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Something. I didn't reach the 10-minute mark. Dang